Hey there guys, today we're going to be installing new rear drum brakes and new wheel bearings in my niece's 2016 Ford Focus. Now let's get to work because I know she'll be bugging me all day asking when her car is done. Nah, I'm just joking.
Alright, so honestly, this is a much easier way to take these off instead of repeatedly pounding it. I got this one random bolt that fits in here, and I'll just oh, look how much that was seized on. Did you hear that popping? Now I'll hit it up here.
Unfortunately, I only have one of these bolts. If I had two, it'd make it a lot easier.
But I'll just do the work with one. Let's see if I can get this off now.
Those drums were seized on there so bad.
Oh, here we go.
Did you see that dust that came out of there? Jeez.
Dirty. As you can see, I hit it quite a bit. I was going so hard, the dust plate cover came off before the wheel bearing.
And now to clean the surface of the plate with my grinder and a wire brush. And now to sand the interior of the inner ring so the wheel bearing can fit in nice and smooth.
Brake cleaner.
Applying some anti-seize on the face of the plate. Apply some blue Loctite to the bolts. So the size of the mounting bolts for the wheel bearing is an E14 socket, but I ended up just using a 14 millimeter. It's a very tight space, so I would just put the socket on the bolt first and put the ratchet on after. Now to install the rest of the remaining bolts. Yo, this song is groovy.
Just hear that little click, give it a pull. So you good to go.
Now to apply some anti-seize where the brake shoes will be resting against the hub. Now let's start assembling those drum brakes. You're going to tie the e-brake cable to the bottom of the shoe here. And now we're going to put that pin in to hold the back brake shoe in place.
I actually put in the older clips that was originally on it because these clips that came in the hardware kit, these pins fit right inside the hole and come out. I mean, I don't think these washers here would save it. I've already tried that. washers go through as well. just like that. So we're going back and putting the old pins in it to hold it, but we are putting in the new springs that came with it. So we put this pin in first, attach the spring here, and then attach it to the bottom.
You got to make sure it's behind this metal clip.
And then we put the second pin in on the other side. Now we're going to mount the top spring. Got everything all lined up now, but put together. Getting ready to test the brake shoe, see if it's the proper size, or we got to make an adjustment here to the spacer. A bit too tight. Right back. Just here making adjustments.
Spinning down will make the shoes smaller, spinning up will make the shoes bigger.
I'd say it's perfect.
Project is finally complete, guys. Now my niece can drive her car quietly in peace. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Have a great day.